Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Nell's Unboxing World. Miniverse has come out with holiday themed Make It Mini food. There are 3 recipes, but I was only able to get my hands on 2. Looks like there's a gingerbread house, a turkey dinner, and hot chocolate. Let's see what we get in the first one. I'm super excited about these. I've never got my hands on a holiday Make It Miniverse yet. They had a Halloween one, but I never could find those. That's why you guys never got to see that, because I never got my hands on it. Okay, let's put our little table together. And let's look up the collector's guide. Don't need that. There's the gingerbread house. Super duper cute. The roasted turkey. And the hot chocolate. Let's see what's in here. A little tiny envelope. Happy holidays. It's a Christmas card. Too cute. Let's see what's in bag number 1. And we have glaze. We got the turkey. We got the roasted turkey. And bag number 2 is our platter. Bag number 3. A basting brush. That is so cute. Little caps for the turkey legs. I don't know what those are called, but oh, look at this. The top for the dome. It's a snowflake. I don't know how you guys can see that, but it's a little snowflake. There it is. Cute. The next bag is our turkey. That's too funny. It's wrapped up. And last but not least, our carrots. Happy Sun Farms turkey. Okay. I love these. It's a little bread tie. And there's our carrots. So cute. Let's see. Tiny stuff. Don't eat it. It is not food at all. I'm gonna put just a tiny little bit down just to glue the turkey down. Just gonna arrange these carrots. Pour some glaze out. Smearing some on the carrots just to kind of glue them down a little bit. This is so cute, you guys. I would have loved this as a child. For my dolls. That would be super duper cute. And there's the turkey. So cute. Let's put these little things on. If I can get them on. How cute. And let's see what's in ball number 2. Ready? And break. And let's do our table. Top. We can get rid of these. There's a little card. Happy holidays. What's in this bag? I got the turkey again, guys, which is perfectly okay. You've already watched me do this one. So, this is ball number 2. And here it is put together. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and have a great day.